In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use keyboard shortcuts in Google Forms. Keyboard shortcuts can save you time and help you build or edit forms more efficiently. Instead of clicking around, you can jump between fields, add questions, and format content with just a few keys. Let's walk through how to access the complete list right inside Google Forms so you can learn the ones that matter most to you. First, open the Google form where you want to use keyboard shortcuts. Make sure you're in the editor, not the preview or a shared view-only link. If you see editing tools like Add Question, Import Questions, and the palette icon on the right, you're in the right place. If you're viewing the form as a respondent, switch back to the Editing tab or open the form from your Google Drive so you have full access to the editor. Next, look to the upper right corner of the top bar in the editor. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the More Options menu. It's near the Send button and the gear icon for settings. Click that three-dot icon to open the menu. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see it, try maximizing your browser window or zooming out slightly so the full toolbar appears. This menu is where Google tucks away helpful tools that aren't always visible on the main screen. Inside the More Options menu, click Keyboard Shortcuts. This opens the dedicated Shortcuts panel for Google Forms. It usually appears as a panel overlaying the right side of your screen. You don't have to leave your form or open another page. The list is right there alongside your work. Now you can view or learn the shortcuts that are available. Scroll through the list to see actions grouped by what they control, such as editing, navigating, or formatting. You'll notice that many shortcuts use modifier keys like Control on Windows or Command on Mac. Where you see Control, you can usually substitute Command on a Mac. The plus symbol in a shortcut means press these keys together, not that you should press the plus key itself. Keep this panel open while you edit and try a shortcut immediately to see what it does. If something doesn't seem to work, click back into the form editor first so your keystrokes apply to the right place. That's it. Open your form, open More Options, choose Keyboard Shortcuts, and use the panel to learn the keys that speed up your workflow. With a few favorites memorized, you'll move through Google Forms faster and more confidently.